I think my pictures are most well known for their graphic nature, and there's a certain sort of crunchiness to them. They tend to be very real. Even in the commercial side of things, there's a gritty aesthetic to them. The Seattle 100 exhibition, I wanted it to be really dynamic. I wanted to have a couple different size prints, so we've got 106 of the small size, which is 10 by 22, and that mimics the shape of the book. And then much more impressive and much more exciting to me are the 44 by 55 prints that are big and beautiful. We used to always outsource our printing, and we're rarely disappointed, but mostly because we didn't know what we were missing. And now we brought it in-house, and we have total creative control. So one of the reasons I chose the Stylus Pro 9890 is size. Most of the prints we're doing are 44 by 55, and so we needed that wide roll. Number two is speed. We're doing a huge volume of prints. We're printing 45 of those, and for earlier iterations or earlier technologies, that would take forever. But the 9890 is, I mean, gosh, it's spitting prints out lightning fast. What used to take 2 hours now takes 10 minutes. This printer uses the Ultrachrome K3 with vivid magenta ink, and I know from exhibitions that I've seen all over the world that that is a very well respected ink set. We're getting great results with color, but I'm blown away with what we're able to get with black and white. With the Seattle 100 show, we were printing on luster paper, and so it was using the photo black ink, but when we aren't printing the Seattle 100 show, we want to use, say, the matte black. It used to be a total nightmare to bounce back and forth between those, and now it saves time, it saves ink, and it's got just an automatic switch right over to the matte black. I'm told there's this fancy new print head in this thing at the TFP. I've been asked before what I thought of it, and what I know, what I take away is that it's super quiet. It is lightning fast. We're printing huge prints in like 10 minutes, and it gives us amazing detail. I mean, just down, like eyelashes just look stunning. Have you ever opened the dishwasher while it's running because you thought, you couldn't hear it? Well, the same thing happens with the 9890. It's so quiet. I twice have asked, is this thing even running right now? And then you see the print just coming out. So it's incredibly quiet. I guess this thing handles media beautifully. Before you had all these different kinds of spindles to go back and forth between rolls and sheets, and at the end of the day, that's one thing that they have really improved, is it's really easy to work with the media. I have to say that we're a much more versatile shop. Thanks to the 9890, we've got incredible versatility with our printing. The quality, obviously, that's the most important thing to me. It's there. And at the end of the day, I guess it boils down to being a great value.